There are three insanely powerful free AI tools that almost nobody is using, and honestly, they feel illegal with how good they are. These tools can save you hours, help you create content fast, and even open new income streams. Let me show you how they work. First is Runway Gen 2, a free AI video tool that lets you transform basic footage into cinematic shots with one click. You can turn simple clips into animated stories, commercials, or stylized edits without touching advanced editing software. Creators use Runway to sell ad visuals, product videos, and short-form content packages for businesses. The best part is that you can repurpose client footage instantly and produce multiple styles in minutes, making it perfect for freelancing or faceless content creation. Next is Stock IMG AI, a tool that generates product photos, book covers, thumbnails, and logo concepts with zero design experience. People use it to build Etsy products, print-on-demand designs, niche wallpapers, template packs, and even branding kits for clients. Because the tool creates polished, commercial-ready images, you can produce entire product bundles extremely fast and sell them as digital downloads or services. And third is Whisper AI, one of the most accurate speech-to-text and audio cleanup tools available, completely free. Creators use Whisper to write scripts automatically from voice notes, clean up rough audio, generate captions, and even create entire workflows for YouTube content. You can offer transcription services, podcast cleanup, or script formatting, all powered by Whisper with almost no manual work. Tell me in the comments which one surprised you the most, and make sure to subscribe because Video 5 will make even more money.